Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at the Caseology CS6 case, dual bumper version with a clear back. This is a pretty slick little deal. It's made of polycarbonates and thermoplastic polyurethane. I like saying that. Thermoplastic polyurethane. Hey, this is slick. Now you'll notice this has a supreme warning on it. I've run into this before. Although I expected that, having used polycarbonates. They come shipped with a covering on them. A couple of little tips. First, once you get this little jobby, just kind of pull on the side there. Let me see how that works. And work it off. The little ring comes off. There you go. Now this is soft and pliable. This is your part of your bumper system. You want to separate out the plastic, and this stuff is really on there. Let me cut to a different setup and we'll take a close look. Okay, we've got us a macro lens, and you're looking at a jeweler's tool inserted in between the actual polycarbonate back and the I lost it. There we go. There we go. Now you could take a dull pen and find that edge and just kind of work that up a little bit. That would make it a whole lot easier on you, because the little tape thingies, it really doesn't pull it up very well. You can see I had to seriously worry that one to get it to let go. The polycarbonate sheeting is rolled out. It has the double layer of this vinyl protective layer. Nice soft one. You can see where it's cut there. And that really makes it stick to that little window. If you work that up, it'll just come right on off of there. Just kind of work your way around and you get to that tape. And there, wasn't that interesting? Once you have your films off, you got your 6 happily in there, and you just pop this little baby right back on there. It's as simple as that. Then it's on there. The back side is very well protected. Spin your rest of your contract with a gouge or scrape. Then it's off contract, and it's just an old beat up old Samsung you're trying to sell on eBay for $10. If it's nice and shiny, you might get 12. So I got one. You ought to get one too.